Can New Jersey become an example of ecological repair for other polluted regions in the world? Healing starts with learning about the damage and the hidden potential, what we have and what we can do. However, in New Jersey, the diverse landscape is still an unstudied territory for many students, despite it being their home. Our second-year class started as a speculative seminar where we aimed to uncover the hidden years of pollution and contamination that have shaped the topography and the waterways of New Jersey and the future methods of repair. Our group turned their attention to the heavily infrastructural and manufacturing riversides of the meadowlands of New Jersey and created a collection of large format combined maps of the past, present, and future of these hybrid natures. First, each student focused on a particular urban ecological site. This decision determined their mapping approach and data collection. During the second year of their education, students find themselves at a juncture of learning digital software while still refining their hand-drawing skills. By starting with a historical analysis of the sites, they could combine the study of maps from the past with the technological data from GIS software. We started outlining the historical trends that have led to the degradation of the environment, including industrialization, urbanization, and the widespread use of pesticides and other chemicals. The students witnessed how stolen lands became intense manufacturing sectors that decades later were abandoned without care to be occupied by blankets of grass and many times by housing for those that could not afford to live somewhere else. This pedagogical approach allowed the students to connect the dots that tie ecological damage and social and financial inequity on their own. They exposed urban networks and unhealthy conditions by highlighting the flooding plains, but they also strategized for future solutions. The aim of this process was manifold: to dive in the complexity of the over-industrial land sites right away, find the connection with discriminatory policies, and learn how to represent them. Mapping is always political, so students had to choose where they would show and how they would highlight the important information. The development of the multiple layers created a collaborative environment where the group shared their resources and findings. What started as a localized mapping exercise evolved into a regional analysis. Maps are often viewed as neutral tools that provide objective representations of geography, but they are deeply political instruments, shaping and reflecting power dynamics, territorial claims, and national identities. Urban mapping especially plays a crucial role in shaping our understanding of cities and their spatial, social, and environmental dynamics. The final map included a topmost layer that would depict a new sustainable future resulting from all the strata that they had added in the previous weeks. While our seminar may be localized, the questions and pedagogy that we followed addressed a more universal question: how can we uncover the industrial legacies of pollution and use them as starting points for a regenerative future?